Jason. I wonder if you could tell us a bit about your Ethernet over Coax solution, please.
Yes, certainly. What we have is a fairly unique solution for extending the Wi-Fi and Ethernet coverage in your building, actually just using the existing coax infrastructure that's in the building. What I mean by that is the cable that brings the signal from the TV aerial through your building to the back of the televisions and allows you to view your BBC and Freeview content, etc. And what we're actually doing is utilising that cable as an extra channel to deliver up to 800 megabits of Wi-Fi around your building. What actually happens is the Freeview TV signal runs up to 860 megahertz. We're actually using the unused space above that, so it doesn't interfere with any of the existing broadcast. You don't actually know it's there. What we're doing in each room point is either putting out an Ethernet or a Wi-Fi hotspot connected directly into the TV socket between the wall outlet and the TV. The TV picture passes through, and then we have the ability to put a local Wi-Fi hotspot. So in classrooms, for example, where you're now using lots of iPads, the traditional existing Wi-Fi router may be overrun. There's too many devices connected. This is going to allow you to retrofit in just a couple of hours an extra Wi-Fi system so that you can connect all of those devices. Very, very simply, we just have a network controller which goes at the head end, connected to your existing router, and then these boxes simply go in each classroom. And you can set them up individually, so each classroom has its own logon and identity, so you have complete security. And it's as simple as that. It's very, very simple to go. You can see from the diagrams we have here on the website, very, very simple system diagram. You can see we've got up to 252 access points, either connecting to smart TVs, plug-in devices, or just using them as Wi-Fi hotspots. So it's very, very simple. The cabling and the hard work has already been done. You're just plugging into either end of it, and it's ready to go. Thank you.
So this will work over any piece of coax I've got, or do I need to replace my old coax?
This will work over your existing coax network. It was designed as a retrofit solution specifically, so it will work with your existing coax, splitters and wall outlets, etc. So you don't have to do lots of changing and retrofit work.
Okay. So what's the difference between the EOC solution that we've got on the left and the Mocha solution you've got on the right?
Okay, the EOC solution on the left is designed for a larger environment where you can have up to 252 locations, and each one of these devices is only talking to the network controller there. So what's going on box A can't be seen by box B. There's no sharing of data and communications between them.
So that's more secure?
That's a more secure solution, yes. So if you have a number of buildings, classrooms, etc., they're all working discreetly from each other. Whereas the Mocha solution here, which was originally designed as an in-home solution, all of these boxes are actually talking to each other, so it's creating a sharing and mesh network. And that's ideal where you have maybe a NAS drive or a server which is sharing content. It's then using the coax infrastructure to make a mesh network between all points where everything is shared. So we have a sharing network and a secure network, and it's really up to choose. With the sharing network, there is only a maximum of 16 devices per network, whereas with the secure network, you can have up to 252 access points. So it really depends on the environment and security that you require.
So the Mocha solution is very much like the Wi-Fi that I've got at home running over coax, and the EOC is very much like how my broadband gets to my house at the moment.
Yes, indeed. We could say that this is a through the building solution, very much like your Wi-Fi at the moment. We're using the coax to extend that Wi-Fi, whereas this is a to the building solution where we can deliver secure connection to a number of different buildings or rooms just using the existing coax cable that's there.
Okay, thanks a lot. That's answered all my questions.
Thank you.
Cheers. Bye-bye.